Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Dog Driven. So in this book, our main character, McKenna, has been trying to hide the fact that her eyes are getting worse. She has an eye disease that is slowly lessening the vision of her eyes. So she has kind of been isolating herself for almost a year. But then, at the request of her younger sister, who also has an eye disease, they sign up to run the commemorative Canadian Wilderness Sled Dog Race. So this sled dog race will put these girls out in the wilderness, and McKenna's not even sure if she can see the race, more or less win it. But winning this race would get them the national media attention that they want to make people aware of this eye disease and see if there's a way to help them. So McKenna and her sister sign up for this race, and the commemorative race takes place over 3 days, and these girls are competing against some of the best of the best. They have to encounter shifting ice, they have to encounter attack of snow owls, they have to sleep out in the bitter cold nights, and they have to take care of themselves and a pack of 8 sled dogs. So this is a great adventure story, and it's also about a girl learning to deal with her disability and how to come to terms with it. So if you like adventure stories, check out Dog Driven. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.